Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Dodge Caravan radio. First, locate your vehicle's fuse box, often under the hood or dashboard, and check for any blown fuses related to the radio. A faulty fuse is a common culprit. Next, carefully inspect the wiring connections behind the radio unit itself, ensuring they are secure. Finally, try a soft reset by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes, then reconnect it. If your radio has no power, no sound, or a blank display, these steps are crucial. Poor radio reception often points to a loose or damaged antenna connection, so check that thoroughly. Some Dodge Caravan radios also offer a factory reset option within their menu settings. This can resolve many software glitches. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions on accessing these features. Next, test your speakers individually to ensure they are functioning correctly and their wiring is intact. Sometimes, the issue isn't the radio itself but a speaker problem. Carefully examine the radio unit for any visible physical damage or signs of overheating. If you identify a blown fuse or damaged wiring, replacing these specific components can often restore your radio's functionality without needing a full replacement. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve your radio issues, it might be time to consult a certified automotive technician. They have specialized tools to diagnose more complex electrical problems. You can also research specific troubleshooting guides for your exact Dodge Caravan radio model online. As a last resort, consider upgrading to an aftermarket radio unit, which can offer enhanced features and improved sound quality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.